how to increase max volume on your iPhone. So this is going to help the max volume and for you to be able to use your iPhone to its fullest capabilities. It's also going to work for your headphones as well. So what we can do is just hop over to your settings. And the first thing you want to do is go to accessibility. And then just scroll down until you see an area where it says audio and visual. Go ahead and click that. And you're just going to stay to the top where it says headphone accommodations. We're going to go ahead and turn these on. And instead of a balanced tone, as you see under Tune Audio 4, we're just going to go for vocal range. And we're going to slide this all the way strong. And that way you'll be able to, that will help your volume as well. To also do something else, we can back out of here and go to your first page of your settings and scroll down until you see where it says sound and haptics. And then from here, what you want to do is go all the way to the bottom until you see where it says built-in speaker. This is specifically for your iPhone when you're not using your earbuds or headphones. So go ahead to volume limit. And we're going to turn this on. So here you can see that the maximum limit can be set anywhere from 20 to 90%. And if you want to just turn this off completely, go ahead and turn that off. And essentially, your iPhone will not automatically lower the speaker volume, and it will always be at full power. And that's it. That's how you would go about increasing the max volume on your iPhone.